Thanks guys for stopping and watching. It's not the end of the video already, okay? I just like to say, this does use real EAS tones, and you're not allowed to put these on there or else you will be a criminal, you will get jail time, you will get a penalty exceeding $20,000 per violation. So this actually never happened. I made all this up, my voice, the conversation, so don't panic. Hey bro, did you get the container carrying chlorine? I didn't, man, but this bolt right here, I don't know how they got this on here because, or maybe it's like threaded or something. It's like, it ripped up the inside of it basically. So I'm not gonna deal with this anymore. I'm gonna get your chlorine. I'm gonna get that tomorrow. I'm just gonna have breakfast real quick. This is too hard for me, okay? I'll get someone else here. Hopefully it's not a problem. It's a little loose, but see ya. Approximately 45 minutes after the bolt was loosened, the container violently exploded, carrying highly toxic NOS. It is currently unknown how the NOS got inside the public water system, but we for sure know that it is accidental.
Civil authorities, at the request of the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment and Local Emergency Management, has issued a civil danger warning for Colorado Springs and surrounding El Paso County at 10:30 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Emergency officials confirmed a major hazardous material breach at a local industrial processing facility. Toxic chemicals have entered the municipal water supply, contaminating local reservoirs and tap water systems. Do not drink the water. Boiling the water will not make it safe. Do not use tap water for drinking, cooking, brushing teeth, washing dishes, or bathing. Refrain from using tap water for pets. If you have already consumed tap water today and are experiencing nausea, dizziness, vomiting, or skin irritation, seek medical attention immediately or call Poison Control at 1-800-222-1222. Municipal emergency services are currently deploying bottled water distribution centers. Stay tuned to local media, or visit your county emergency management website for the nearest distribution location. A severe water restriction remains in effect until further notice. This is a critical public safety emergency. Repeat, do not consume or use tap water in El Paso County. Stay tuned to local media for further updates. The National Weather Service, at the request of El Paso County Emergency Management and Colorado civil authorities, has issued an emergency administrative message for Colorado Springs and surrounding areas. State hazardous materials teams, the Environmental Protection Agency, and local utility engineers are actively on site at the treatment facility. Specialized hazardous materials containment units have successfully isolated the source of the chemical spill. Flushing and neutralization operations of the municipal water system are underway, but the water grid remains completely unsafe for consumption. A clean water relief shelter has been established out of town for residents requiring immediate assistance, decontamination support, or fresh water. The shelter is located at the Colorado State Fairgrounds in Pueblo, Colorado, approximately 45 miles south of Colorado Springs. This location is fully stocked with clean bottled water, medical evaluation stations, and emergency overnight lodging. Red Cross personnel are on site to assist families. If you require transportation to the Pueblo shelter, please head to the nearest designated municipal transit pickup hub, or call the county emergency helpline. Do not consume tap water. The civil water restriction remains fully in effect until further notice. Stay tuned to local media for further updates. The National Weather Service, at the request of El Paso County utility engineers and Colorado civil authorities, has issued an emergency administrative message for Colorado Springs and surrounding municipal water districts. At the direction of the Environmental Protection Agency, municipal water crews have begun a massive, coordinated infrastructure flushing operation. Over the next 24 hours, crews will be systematically opening fire hydrants block by block across the city to forcefully purge contaminated water out of the public pipeline grid. Residents will notice significant water rushing down street gutters, and may experience rapid pressure drops or completely dry taps. Do not attempt to capture or use this runoff water. This water contains concentrated chemical elements and remains hazardous to human and animal skin. The strict do not drink and do not use tap water order remains fully in effect for all of El Paso County. Continue utilizing bottled water from the designated Pueblo State Fairgrounds Distribution Center. Another update will be broadcast as laboratory testing begins. Stay tuned to local media. The National Weather Service, at the request of the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment and Local Emergency Management, has issued an emergency action termination for Colorado Springs and El Paso County following comprehensive system-wide flushing. Multi-point laboratory testing has confirmed that chemical contamination levels across the municipal water grid have successfully returned to 0 parts per million. The water supply complies fully with all federal safety standards. The civil danger warning and water restrictions are officially canceled. Tap water is now safe for drinking, cooking, bathing, and pets. Residents are advised to run their cold water taps for 5 full minutes to clear any stagnant water out of their personal property plumbing lines before normal consumption. Emergency water shelters and transit distribution hubs are now winding down operations. Local civil authorities thank the community for their cooperation during this critical public safety event.
Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Fake. It's a real EAS tones. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.